Ever feel like your money is disappearing into thin air? Like you're working hard, but somehow, at the end of the month, you're left scratching your head wondering where it all went? You're not alone. In today's world, with endless subscriptions, sneaky fees, and the constant temptation of online shopping, it's easy for our finances to feel like they're on autopilot, often in the wrong direction. We all have those recurring charges we signed up for ages ago and completely forgot about. That streaming service we haven't used in months, that gym membership gathering dust, or even those premium app features we trialed and never intended to keep. These small, seemingly insignificant expenses can add up to hundreds, even thousands, of naira wasted each year. It's like a slow leak in your financial boat, gradually draining your resources without you even noticing. Then there's the challenge of simply keeping track of where your money is going. You might have a general idea, but do you really know how much you're spending on eating out, entertainment, or those impulse buys that seemed like a good idea at the time? Without a clear picture of your spending habits, it's nearly impossible to identify areas where you can cut back and save. Budgeting can feel like a chore, another tedious task on an already overflowing to-do list. Spreadsheets, manual tracking, and constantly categorizing transactions can be time-consuming and, frankly, a bit overwhelming. It's no wonder so many of us avoid it altogether. But what if there was a way to shine a light on those hidden expenses, to effortlessly track your spending, and to take control of your finances without the headache of manual budgeting? That's where Rocket Money comes in. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, isn't just another budgeting app. It's like having a personal finance assistant that actively works to save you money. Think of it as a vigilant watchdog for your bank accounts and credit cards, identifying areas where you might be overspending or paying for things you no longer need. So, how exactly does Rocket Money work its magic? Let's dive into some of its key features and how they can help you cut unnecessary spending. 1. Subscription management, uncovering hidden costs. One of Rocket Money's most powerful features is its ability to automatically identify and track your subscriptions. Once you connect your bank and credit card accounts, Rocket Money scans your transactions and compiles a comprehensive list of all your recurring payments. This includes everything from streaming services like Netflix and Spotify to software subscriptions, gym memberships, and even those smaller, less obvious charges that slip under the radar. Seeing all your subscriptions laid out in one place can be a real eye-opener. You might be surprised at how many you've accumulated over time and how much they're collectively costing you each month. Rocket Money provides you with clear information about each subscription, including the service name, the amount you're paying, and the billing frequency. From there, Rocket Money makes it incredibly easy to cancel unwanted subscriptions directly through the app. No more logging into multiple websites, searching for cancellation options, or dealing with customer service hassles. With a few taps, you can say goodbye to those services you no longer use and instantly start saving money. Imagine discovering you're paying for 3 different video streaming platforms when you only regularly watch one. Or realizing you're still being charged for a software trial you forgot to cancel months ago. Rocket Money brings these hidden costs to the surface, empowering you to eliminate them with ease. 2. Spending analysis, understanding where your money goes. Beyond subscriptions, Rocket Money provides a detailed overview of your spending habits. It automatically categorizes your transactions, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going each month. Whether it's groceries, dining out, transportation, entertainment, or shopping, you can see exactly how much you're spending in each category. This visual representation of your spending can be incredibly insightful. You might realize you're spending a larger portion of your income on eating out than you thought, or that your impulse purchases are adding up significantly. By understanding your spending patterns, you can identify areas where you might want to cut back. Rocket Money also allows you to customize your categories and even set spending limits for each. This helps you stay on track with your financial goals and provides alerts if you're approaching or exceeding your limits. It's like having a built-in accountability partner for your spending. 3. Budgeting made easy, taking control of your finances. While Rocket Money excels at identifying and cutting existing expenses, it also offers robust budgeting tools to help you manage your money proactively. You can create personalized budgets based on your income and financial goals. Unlike traditional budgeting methods that can feel restrictive and complicated, Rocket Money simplifies the process. You can set monthly spending targets for different categories and track your progress in real time. The app provides clear visualizations of your budget, showing you how much you've spent and how much you have remaining in each category. Rocket Money can even help you identify opportunities to save based on your income and spending patterns. It might suggest adjusting your spending in certain areas to help you reach your financial goals faster. 4. Negotiation services, saving you time and effort. One of Rocket Money's standout features is its negotiation service. If you're tired of haggling with service providers over bills like internet, phone, or cable, Rocket Money can do it for you. For a fee, typically a percentage of the savings they achieve, the team of experts will reach out to these companies on your behalf and try to negotiate lower rates. This can be a huge time saver and can potentially result in significant savings without you having to lift a finger. If Rocket Money successfully lowers your bills, you only pay a portion of the savings. If they don't achieve any savings, you don't pay anything. It's a win-win situation. 5. Bank and credit card fee monitoring, catching unexpected charges. Banks and credit card companies sometimes charge unexpected fees, such as overdraft fees, late payment fees, or service charges. These fees can add up over time and eat into your savings. Rocket Money helps you stay on top of these charges by monitoring your accounts and alerting you to any unusual activity or fees. By identifying these fees early, you can take action to avoid them in the future, whether it's adjusting your account settings or contacting your financial institution. 6. Financial insights and recommendations, making smarter money decisions. Beyond the core features of subscription management, spending analysis, and budgeting, Rocket Money provides valuable insights and recommendations to help you make smarter financial decisions. This might include suggestions for optimizing your savings, identifying potential refinancing opportunities for loans, or even highlighting areas where you could be earning more interest on your money. By leveraging the data from your connected accounts, Rocket Money can offer personalized advice tailored to your specific financial situation. This can empower you to take proactive steps to improve your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.